Alright guys, today is Wednesday, another hot day. It's evening time now here, sun's starting to set. But anyways, it's a hot day. Went up and picked up our registration. They called us and said the registration was ready for the car. So we went and picked that up today. Had a subscriber and his family stop by. Eco de Alta Roser, if I'm pronouncing it right. Anyways, him and his family stopped by today. Like I said, we always enjoy meeting subscribers. We like when they stop by, say hello. And even out on the street today, I was up getting a shave and a haircut today and ran into a subscriber, and there's Hannah Grace, and talked to him, and he was telling me that this past Wednesday, he was with a fellow who got rear-ended by a jeepney also. So, and then I asked him, well, who did they find at fault? And he said the police found the jeepney driver at fault. So once again, the foreigner does not always get blamed for things here. But anyways, like I said, we had a subscriber stop by, him and his wife. Really great people. Dropped some gifts off. I'm going to show you the gifts that they brought us. Hannah Grace, you want to hold the gift? They brought some Jolly Ranchers hard candy. They brought these. I'm sure Hannah Grace is going to enjoy these. If you're not familiar with what they are, they're just hard candy with different flavors: blueberry, raspberry, green apple. Apple's my favorite. You can't have them, Hannah Grace. Grape and watermelon. I like watermelon too.
I like watermelon.
Yeah. Jolly Ranchers. They brought some of those by. Brought some Almond Joy. Mounds. How's that commercial go? Almond Joy. There's a commercial out there. Sometimes you, no, that's not it. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Almond Joy's got nuts, caramel don't, or something like that. There's a commercial about Almond Joy. I've never seen these here in the Philippines, so I'm sure Hannah Grace will enjoy these also. And then they brought a game here. Bean Boozled. Bean Boozled. We're going to be playing this game sometime. When we open up the box, we'll play it for sure. It's a game with jelly beans in it with different flavors, and I'll have to read the instructions on this. But yeah, we're gonna give this game a try. And they brought by some York peppermint patties. So yeah, you know I love the York peppermint patties. That's my favorite. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by, saying hello, and bringing treats and gifts to us. All right, guys, tonight's entertainment is brought to you by. I say that because there's a radio station that we listen to here, and when they do a commercial and they endorse a product, they always say brought to you by instead of brought to you by, and I find it funny. But yeah, it's a radio station, and the DJs will say brought to you by, and I find it funny instead of brought to you by. You get the gist. But anyways, tonight's entertainment is brought to you by Bean Boozled. We're gonna play some Bean Boozled tonight. From what I'm reading is, it's a bunch of different jelly beans here, and they're different flavors now, and the jelly beans look the same according to the flavor. Let me show you. This is the game right here. Bean Boozled. Let me see if I can focus. And it's got these jelly beans in here. And the white jelly bean is spoiled milk or coconut. Then you got rotten egg or buttered popcorn. You have Bart or peach. We're trying to find out, we're trying to figure out what Bart means. We kind of think it means fart. So, Bart. And then you got booger or juicy pear. You have a stinky sock or fruity tootie. Dead fish or strawberry banana. Toothpaste or blueberry. Canned dog food or chocolate pudding. Moldy cheese or caramel corn. And then lawn clippings or lime. So those are the flavors. Evidently you spin the little wheel here, you know, like Wheel of Fortune, you spin that, and whatever it lands on Whoever spins it either takes the chance and gets the lime or the long clipping. But anyways, you get the gist. We have got our contestants here. We have Hannah Grace.
Hi.
We have Lut Lut. And we have Earl. So, oh, wait. Me also. All right, guys. Hannah Grace is the first game player.
What are you gonna do?
You got to spin the little wheel.
What's the coconut? No.
White.
Coconut spoiled milk.
So you got to get a white one. And
Yes.
take the chance if it's a... What is it?
It's this coconut.
Oh, you got a coconut?
Yeah.
Good job, coconut. So she didn't get bean boozled. All right, Earl, your turn. Spin the little wheel there, Earl.
Ano sa'yo?
Juicy pearl.
Juicy pearl.
Which one? What is it?
Juicy pearl.
Yeah.
Orange.
What is it? Juicy,
Pearl.
juicy pear or?
Or, wait.
Is that a green one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
juicy pearl. Booger.
Or a booger?
Green. Ano lasa?
You got juicy pear? Does it taste good?
Vegetables.
Maybe that's a booger. You know what a booger is? A booger is a booger. It's when it's what you pick out of your nose.
Ako
All
ba?
right, let's turn.
We're the same.
Coconut spoiled milk.
All right.
Coconut no.
It's hard to explain the taste, but it's
like
you
milk.
can
Is it coconut?
You can taste the milk.
Yeah, it's like
Oh.
milk.
You can taste the milk?
Yeah.
So then you got spoiled milk.
Yeah.
So you got spoiled milk too. You didn't get coconut, Hannah Grace?
This is spoiled milk.
Did you taste the spoiled milk?
Yeah.
So then you didn't get coconut, you got spoiled milk.
They have here is coconut spoiled milk.
Or spoiled milk. So you're either spinning it and you're going to taste coconut jelly bean or spoiled milk jelly bean. Ah.
Now
all
it's
right.
your turn.
My turn, my turn. Where's my seat?
This. Papa's
Alright.
store.
Iba-ibang kulay tayo, no? Sa klase ko may pink yun ang masarap.
Purple is... What purple is that? Oh, coconut or spoiled milk. So that's the white one. That's this one right here.
Yeah.
All right. There it is.
Spoiled milk.
That's spoiled milk.
And it is panis na lang.
Panis.
That's spoiled milk. That's not coconut.
Okay, Lina.
Ugh.
My turn again.
All right. Hannah Grace's turn. You want to film her?
Ooh, it's like Earl.
Bigyan mo na
Booger or
sa
jelly bean?
vegetable.
Let me see. That's like that one. Is that what you done?
Like vegetables.
Like vegetables? You got a booger. You just ate a booger.
You know what booger is?
You know what a booger is? It's what's in your nose and you go like that and it sticks on your finger. That's a booger. You ever eat a booger?
Kulangot.
You ever eat a booger?
Oy? Okay,
Ano ba yung kinakain niya yun?
Earl.
So, gusto niya. Gumagaling siya tapos dinididi niya.
Which one?
Strawberry banana.
That one there. That's
Strawberry banana. This?
oh,
Or this?
I don't know. Oh, this right here.
Ito.
Right here. That one.
Oh, there.
Yeah, that one.
What happened?
That's dead fish. That's a dead fish. Dead fish or strawberry smoothie.
Ginger.
You got a dead fish. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's turn.
Oh, kinuha ni Earl. She threw that out.
Wait, hang on. Come here.
What?
All right, go ahead.
We have lunch.
You got your rice on your hand.
Ay, coconut again. Ay, coconut.
I spilled milk. Why I always do this? Why I always have this?
I don't know. That's what it lands on.
Well, I think they don't want me to eat anything.
Uminom siya ng tubig.
You drink water.
You drank water. All right.
Ako gusto ko tikman mo yun.
That's not fun.
Which one is it?
Isa lang.
It's a coconut spoiled milk.
Masarap yung
What's it taste like? Coconut or spoiled milk?
Spoiled milk.
You got spoiled milk.
Two times now.
2 times now. Okay. Okay, so we have made up our own rolls. Everybody's got 1 jelly bean of each, and instead of spinning it, we're going to eat the same jelly bean at the same time and see who has what. So let's go with, what's this one here? This one is Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. Everybody's ready?
Yeah.
You guys got the right one? All right. This one here.
Ay,
I don't have it.
ay, this.
There you go. All right, here we go. Everybody taste.
Pares lang yun sila. No.
I think I got Stinky Sock.
Bubble gum.
Ayaw pa po gum?
Bubble gum.
Tutti Frutti. How are you, Lut? Stinky Sock? I think Lut got Stinky Sock. All right. Next one is
The white one.
the white one. Spoiled milk or coconut.
No.
Are you guys ready? Here we go. What'd you get? Oh, I think I might have ate a different one.
Me too.
I think I got moldy cheese. I don't know.
Not Earl.
Ooh. No good,
I
Earl?
have like that too.
No
It's
good?
like coconut. It's not coconut or spoiled milk.
I want to try a part.
Bart?
Bart. That's this one.
This one.
A Bart
This.
or a peach, I think.
This.
Which is this one?
It's like this.
All right, everybody, let's try a Bart. Try this one. Eat a Bart. Either a Bart or a peach.
Wait, mine was so good.
Mine was peach. I don't know what H.
It's so good.
You got a good one?
Ginger.
H got a gross one. All right,
Like
let's
Bart?
try. Is this one a booger or juicy
No.
pear? I don't know. Booger or juicy pear, I think.
I don't
This
have
one.
like that.
Find one.
This?
Yeah, you can try that one. All right, here we go. A booger or a juicy pear? Did you get a booger?
That's so gross.
Eee!
I don't know what I got. We didn't do the black one. Nobody has done the brown one yet. The brown one is either canned dog food or chocolate pudding.
Okay, I have.
So you're going to either eat dog food flavor or chocolate pudding. Are you guys ready?
Brown.
Earl's got to get a cup of water. All right, here we go. I think you guys got dog food. All right, which one's next?
Ow, it's so ano.
Oh, grass clippings or lime?
Where?
The green one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I got chocolate pudding. I can taste it.
One.
This is going to taste like grass or a lime. Ready?
Why I
I have like a grass.
I don't know what.
Yes. Ang best mo pa ng vegetable.
I don't know what. What's the orange?
Sarap.
We'll go to the orange one.
The orange one.
Bye.
Is that a Bart or a peach again? I don't know.
Oh, I don't like that now.
Hang on, Earl's got to get some more water.
Let's go to the orange.
This one?
Yeah. This the
Alright.
Ay, wala akong orange.
Oh, I got a Bart.
Ito ah.
Please na lang.
Wait, ito.
Why it's already 4 times you have the bad one?
I have the good one.
Earl got a Bart. All right.
They're all broke.
Let's do the blue one. Toothpaste or blueberry?
Sarap to.
Yeah, it's good.
All right. Ready? Toothpaste or blueberry?
Toothpaste.
Sarap.
Blueberry.
Toothpaste?
All right. We got 2 more left.
I have 4 more left.
4?
Wait.
Oh, what do you have, Papa?
Oh, yeah, 2.
This and... I don't have that.
Nga lang akin.
I think this one is
This?
dead fish or strawberry smoothie.
Try ko na to, no?
I,
Maybe you're going to get a strawberry smoothie this time instead of a dead
what's
fish.
this? This?
Right? Oh, I got dead fish.
Ano yun?
Oh,
I don't have like that. This?
I don't know. Try it. Good? All right, one more. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this is Stinky Sock or Tutti Frutti I got. Look, it looks like you got a rotten egg or buttered popcorn. Everybody just grab one different one. Oh no, we'll eat this one first. All right, here we go. I got butter popcorn.
Look at bubble gum.
All right, everybody grab one more. I'm gonna try the chocolate one again. Look, grab one more of your own choosing.
Ooh, I like the ano.
Did you get one, Earl? All right, here we go. Of our own choosing.
It's a lot.
Masarap.
Masarap. There it is. Masarap. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. It's what we do for entertainment. Once again, thanks for the gift. Kept us entertained here for the evening. Some of them were good, some of them were bad. I think I played this game one time before, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. Anna Grace, anything to say? How was the game? Good?
Sabihin mo,
Yeah.
Earl, anything to say?
until next time.
Nothing? Lut. Anything to say?
Well, I want to say that I think it's not my best luck tonight because I always pick the bad one.
There
But
it is.
anyway, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, give some thumbs up, thumbs down, same as always, and share with your friends. Till next time.
And now we're going to eat some Jolly Ranchers. So, all right, guys, until next time.